Okay, so I'm doing a second recording kasi save yung una. Sad life. Anyways, we're going to analyze the Bitcoin chart and the daily time frame. Titingnan na muna natin the bigger picture. Okay. So in the bigger picture, we're seeing a bear flag. Okay. As we can see in here, bear flag siya. So it's forming a bear flag. So if we're planning to long this in this perspective, it's not ideal. Okay. Okay. That's a retail mindset and retail chart uh long-term perspective ng retail. Okay, pangalawa, we have reached the equilibrium from this old high to this old low. So yan yung swing high, swing low natin within this range of within this external range liquidity. So we have that. Okay. So, syempre, kung iso-short ng let's see, kung short tayo. Kung short, ganito ang itsura niya. So, we are reaching equilibrium. Tapos, syempre, mean threshold. Mean threshold, di ba? Dito tayo sa mean threshold. So, okay, possibly a lot of smart money are going to short from here. As you can see in here, meron liquidity, liquidity sweep na nangyayari. Ayan na. Isa dito, isa dito. Okay. So, yun. Okay. So, yan ang nakikita natin so far in this time frame. Okay. Let's go to the lower time frame. Weekly, 4-hour chart. Okay. Uh, Nung August 10, nag-predict ako. Okay, nag-predict ako saan yung CPI. Saan yung CPI? Nandito yung CPI. August 10, 8. Okay, at ito. Nakikita niyo tong malaking green candle na to. Ito. So, nag-pump, 'di ba? Bakit nag-pump siya nung CPI report? Because US economy is getting stronger. It means when inflation has peaked, a lot of interest in US dollar decrease. So, bumababa yung interest ng mga taong gustong mag-invest sa US dollar. Kasi, yung balitang yon, it means that, oh my goodness, we have to remove our money from the US dollar because they're gonna lower the interest rate. So, kapag mas mababa ang interest rate ng bansa, mas mababa ang value ng dolyares. Okay? Or ng pera, ng currency nila. So, yun ang mangyayari sa darating na FOMC. Bababa ang dolyares. Kasi, for sure, ibababa nila yung interest rate. Maybe a little bit, not much. But that's their plan. That's their initial. So, that's the fundamental part of it. Tapos, dito, ito yung 8 o'clock. Yes, PPI release. So, nag-pump siya ulit. Tumaas siya. Okay. Broke another high. Okay. Nag-pump siya. But then, it went lower. Okay, because a lot of people already expected that it's gonna be good. So kung yung CPI is good, for sure naman yung PPI good din siya. So same thing, inflationary din siya, indicator. Okay, in fundamentals. So yun, if you want to learn about that, so attend my class in fundamental analysis. So yun. So in here, for our chart, right? We're going to look in our external range liquidity. So we have this, ito yung pinaka-low natin and ito yung pinaka-high natin, diba? So, let's use some rays. Uy, binalaw niya. Okay. Ito, tapos ito. Okay. That is our external range liquidity. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, noong CPI report, ito, it was broken. Okay, it was broken. So the liquidity range in here got broken. Okay. But then, okay, a lot of people still bullish even though it went downward. Okay. Uh, within, nag 50% 50% siya sa fib. Okay, if you will check the fib here, 50% yan. Oh, patunay. Okay. So, tumaas siya after that. Tumaas siya, di ba? So, kung tumaas siya, ibig sabihin, they want to keep pushing the price higher. But, it didn't. Bakit hindi siya? Kulang siya ng institutional sponsorship, 'di ba? So most likely, it will do a reattempt. It will possibly do a reattempt unless, unless there's no more institutional sponsorship to go further up, 'di ba? Pero for sure gusto nilang itaas 'yan. Gusto nilang itaas. Okay, now, before we go there, bago natin tingnan kung gusto nila itaas, tingnan muna natin yung liquidity. Okay, nasaan ang liquidity? Nakikita nyo dito, ang daming ano dito, wicks dito, di ba? Okay. Tapos, eto, may wick dito. Okay. Tapos dito, meron ditong wick. Okay. Eto medyo mahina lang to. Hindi masyado malakas. Tapos merong, wait lang ba, may green dito. Dito. Tapos dito, meron din dito. Okay. Eto babalik. Pwede rin balikan to. Okay. So ikaw, kung maglo-long ka, saan ka papasok? 'Di ba? Okay. If this is your high swing and this is your lowest swing. So ang gagawin ko, magdo-drawing ako ng fib dito, 'di ba? Okay. Ngayon, drawing ako ng fib. Saan mas ideal bumili? Kung institution ako. Okay, saan mas ideal bumili? Kayo ba bibili kayo dito? Okay. Kung bibili kayo dito, di siguro discount. Siguro makakapasok ka, oo. That's good for you. Makakapasok ka. Okay. But maybe there's something better. How about this one? 'Di ba? Itong order block na to, itong pulang candle na to. How about that one? That one's good. That one's good. Possible, 'di ba? Possible na mag-retrace siya diyan tapos mag-bounce siya. Or how about this one? This is perfect. Optimum trade entry 78.6% retracement level. 'Di ba? Napaka-perfect nitong ano na to, liquidity ano na to, order block na to. So kung papasok ako, diyan ako papasok. Okay. Ako personally ano lang 'yan. Okay. Bakit most likely diyan siya papasok? Okay. Una sa lahat, syempre may ano diyan eh. May imbalance diyan eh. Okay. Imbalance diyan eh. So most likely if they don't want to bring the price down over here, uh nasan ba yung mga ano, mga pencil ko? Kung ayaw nilang dalhin yung price below in here, they would most likely use this order block. Okay. Another thing, paano kung coach kung hindi gumana yan? Okay. Most likely, ang gagamitin nila itong rejection block na to for an entry. They will use the rejection block for an entry. Okay. We're using high probability trades, high probability trade setups here. We don't use low probability setups. Okay. So, kung makikita nyo, ah, madami liquidity dyan. Madami liquidity, uh, especially over here. If they want this liquidity, they might use this. Sa Bitcoin, napansin ko, okay na sila sa 50%. They will use that and go up. Okay. Or this one. Okay. Usually, okay na sila dyan. Ito, gagamitin nila pero most likely hindi. Okay. So, yun. Yun ang nakikita kong possible scenarios. Pero, syempre, probability setups na pwede mong gamitin in a higher time frame if you're gonna be a position trader. But there's also some few things that you want to watch. Okay. Over here is going to be a strong support. Okay. Strong support yan. This is gonna be a strong support. And this is gonna be your final support for 22K. Okay. Otherwise, it has to it has to beat this one. Okay. So we have few key levels of support in here that it has to break before it reaches 20K again. Okay. If you really want to if you really want to short this, you might want to keep watching all those key level support bago ka mag-decide na mag-short. Okay. So, kailangan mabasag muna to, mabasag muna to, mabasag muna to, mabasag muna to, at mabasag muna to. Pag hindi niya, ito, especially ito kapag hindi niya binasag yan, or kapag nagbasag siya, tapos umakyat siya, syempre, long pa rin tayo, di ba? Long pa rin tayo. Kasi, may imbalance dito eh. Pero ang pinaka susi dyan, ito. Ito yung magiging decisive key mo. Kung if it really wants to go further up. Ito. Kasi ang laki ng liquidity dito. There's so much liquidity built up already in here. So this is going to be a key level, an important key level if you're planning to short this coin. But as of right now, okay, there's no possible way of shorting this coin unless you're a scalper. Okay. Ang hirap niyang i-short kasi kung magka-counter trend ka, you're putting your money at risk. So yun. Try to decide if you wanna long, if you wanna short, but the directional bias, as you can see, okay, as you can see, the directional bias is on the upside. Okay, so yun lang. So, bibigyan naman kayo ng sign ni Bitcoin kung gusto niya ibagsak eh. It will give you several signs. Pero as of now, it doesn't have that sign. So we can still keep doing longs. Especially FOMC meeting is going to be soon. Okay? So you might want to watch that out. Okay, peace out.